How to make the most fluffy, delicious chocolate cake in 30 minutes. Step 1. Preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit 175 degrees Celsius. Step 2. Mix dry ingredients. 1 cup flour, 1 cup sugar, half a cup cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half a teaspoon baking soda, a quarter teaspoon salt. Step 3. Add wet ingredients. Half a cup vegetable oil, half a cup milk, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Mix until smooth. Step 4. Stir in half a cup boiling water carefully. Batter will be thin for extra fluffiness. Step 5. Pour batter into greased 9-inch pan and bake 25 to 30 minutes until toothpick is clean. Step 6. Cool cake 10 minutes in pan and on wire rack to finish cool. Fast, fluffy chocolate cake. Enjoy your life. Fluffy chocolate cake plain or with your favorite frosting. Delicious and quick. Thanks for watching. Try this easy recipe and treat yourself today.